Okay, so to fill out the graph on this, you're going to use these points and the associated lines that go with them to fill them out. So you'll drag the points. So for instance, table 1, this is a P wave. It says depth at 0, so depth is here, 0 is here, and then the speed is at 6, which is right up here. So you'll take the dot and you'll move it over. Oh, take the dot. There we go. And you'll move the dot over to 0 and 6. Then the next one says 50 and 9. So here's 1,000. 500 would be right around here. So 50 is real close to the 0. So just take this, move it over, and put it at 9, which is about halfway between, so it'll go right around there. Okay, it's a little bit further over than the 0 is. Then you can take 208. So here's 200 and here's 8 and move that over. Okay, so now I would suggest, okay, so to fill out this graph, here's what you're going to do. You're going to start with table 1. The depth is 0. The speed of the P wave is 6. So that's going to bring this on the graph right at 0, which is here, up to 6. So click on your dot and then use these little handles there to move the dot over. So where you're at 0 and 6. The next one is 50 and 9. So 50 is really close to 0. So we'll click on it until you get the little arrow things. Move them. Go 9 is approximately here, and then 50 has got to be probably around there. So once you get these two dots in, you're going to come over here and take the line, and you're going to move the line. And you're going to resize the line by using the arrows. You can move it right around there. There we go. Oh. There we go. Right around there. Then you're going to do your third one, 208. So you'll click on here, move this over to 200, which is about here, and go to 8. Then you'll take your line again, it's right here, move it over, put part of the line up there, part of the line down there, and then come over to 509. So you'll click on that. Go over to 500 and then go to 9, which is right around there. Take your line, get the little cross, and then connect the dots. You're going to continue this until all of these points are plotted. And then you're going to do the same thing with the S wave, moving these over and then the lines with them, etc. So that you'll see two lines on this graph. Once you're done plotting all your points, you'll come over here and you'll answer your analysis questions. Okay, does the speed of the seismic waves travel through the earth provide proof that the earth is made of unique layers? Make a claim, yes or no. So if you believe that yes, it does, write yes. If you think that it doesn't, write no. and then put in a little bit of data here. So no, the speed of seismic waves travel through the Earth is not proof, or yes, the speed of the seismic waves traveling through the Earth provide proof of the unique layers, and put that there. Then you're going to look at the evidence. At what depths in Earth's interior do P and S waves change abruptly? So you'll write the evidence down, the reasoning for it, and just kind of continue until this chart is filled out. And that's it.